Ever get that upload failed error on Discord?
Oh,
Like you're
yeah.
trying to share a meme or a file
Uh-huh.
and just won't go through.
The frustrate.
Drives me crazy.
Yeah.
In this deep dive, we're going to get into like how to fix this thing once and for all.
Right.
And it all comes down to this thing called DNS. Yeah, so our source material here, it kind of jumps right into the fix.
Yeah.
But it says something really important to check first.
What's that?
Your file size. Discord's free accounts, they've got that limit,
Uh-huh.
25
It's
megabytes.
25 millibytes, yeah.
Yeah.
But if your file's way under the limit and you're still getting that error,
Yeah.
then it's time to investigate.
The DNS settings.
You got it.
And luckily, our guide
It does.
has a clear process
Yes.
for doing just that.
Perfect.
Especially for Windows users.
A lot of those out there.
So how do we actually change these DNS settings? Is it
Oh,
complicated?
not at all.
Okay.
You just go to your network settings,
All right.
find your Internet Protocol properties,
Okay.
and then you manually type in the new DNS server addresses.
Okay. I think I can handle that.
Easy peasy.
So what are these magic DNS addresses?
Well, the guide recommends a couple Cloudflare's DNS,
All right.
which is 1.1.1.1,
And 1.1.1.1?
1.0.0.1,
Got it.
or Google's public DNS,
Okay.
which is 8.8.8.8
8.8.8?
and 8.8.4.4.
Okay. So I can use either one.
Yep.
All right.
Just make sure you type them in, right?
Oh, yeah. Double check those numbers for sure.
Exactly.
Anything else I need to do?
Don't forget to restart your connection.
Oh, right.
That's a step people miss all the time.
Yeah.
It's like rebooting your phone after changing settings. It lets everything sync up properly.
Okay. So we've made the changes.
Yep.
Restarted the connection.
Fingers crossed.
Hopefully that's it.
Should be.
All right. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive, everybody.
See you next time.
See ya.